Imagine a world where money transcends borders, zips across continents in seconds, and eliminates the need for banks entirely. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of cryptocurrency, the digital gold rush of our time. But unlike the dusty prospectors of old, this new frontier is accessible from your phone, laptop, or even your smartwatch. Forget clunky wallets and suspicious bills. Cryptocurrency lives on a revolutionary technology called the blockchain. Think of it as a giant, public ledger, like the scoreboard at a stadium, but for every single digital penny exchanged. The beauty? This ledger isn't locked away in some vault. Copies are scattered across countless computers around the world, making it virtually unhackable. Every transaction is a block added to this ever-growing chain, creating an unbreakable record. Tamper with one block, and the whole system screams foul. Powerful computers, the miners, act as digital bouncers, verifying each transaction before it enters the chain, ensuring its legitimacy. So, what does this mean for you, the busy man on the go? Crypto offers a power play on traditional finance. Forget waiting days for international transfers or dealing with hefty bank fees. Cryptocurrency lets you send money across the globe in minutes, with minimal costs. It's like having your own personal, global bank account, accessible 24/7. No more begging bankers for loans or navigating their labyrinthine rules. With crypto, you're in control. But here's the twist. These transactions don't magically verify themselves. Enter the miners, the brawn behind the blockchain's brain. These powerful computers work tirelessly, solving complex puzzles to secure the network. It's like a global competition, with miners rewarded with new cryptocurrency for their efforts. This process is what keeps the system secure, but it's not without its challenges. The complex calculations require immense computing power, raising concerns about energy consumption. However, innovative solutions are emerging, making crypto mining more sustainable as we speak. Let's be honest, no game changer is perfect. Cryptocurrency is a wild ride. Its value can fluctuate wildly. Unlike the steady pace of your paycheck, imagine buying that new gadget today for a steal, only to see its price skyrocket tomorrow or plummet. Buyer beware. Another hurdle? Crypto hasn't quite hit the mainstream yet. While some forward-thinking stores accept it, widespread adoption is still on the horizon. But this shouldn't deter you. Early adopters in the tech revolution reaped incredible rewards. Cryptocurrency holds the potential to reshape the financial landscape, and the time to learn is now. Cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-evolving ecosystem. There are risks, just like any investment, but the potential for a more secure, efficient, and accessible financial system is undeniable. This isn't just about buying and selling digital coins. It's about taking control of your financial future. So, are you ready to join the digital gold rush? Dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency. Ask questions, explore different coins, and make informed decisions. With the right knowledge, you can navigate this exciting frontier and potentially unlock a new chapter in your financial journey.